In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Typeform form effectively. Whether you've gathered all the responses you need or simply want to pause the form for a while, closing it is a straightforward process. This will help you manage the flow of information better and make sure your form isn't left open when it doesn't need to be. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log in to your Typeform account. Once you're in, head over to your workspace. This is where all your forms are organized, making it easy to find the one you want to close. Now, look for the specific form you wish to stop receiving responses from and click on it. This will open up the form editor where you can make the necessary changes. Next, at the top of the form editor, you'll notice a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on that gear icon and you'll be taken to the settings menu. Here, you're going to look for the section labeled Access and Scheduling. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your form's availability. Once you're in the Access and Scheduling section, you'll have a few options to consider. First, there's a simple toggle switch labeled Accepting Responses. If you want to close your form immediately, just switch this off. It stops the form from receiving any more entries right away. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, if you have a specific date or time in mind for the form to stop accepting responses, you can schedule a closing date or time. This is particularly useful if you're running a campaign or event with a fixed time frame. Just set it, and Typeform will handle the rest for you. Moreover, if you prefer to limit the number of responses your form can receive, there's an option to set a response limit. Once this limit is reached, the form will automatically block further submissions. It's a handy way to ensure you only gather as much data as you can handle. After you've made these adjustments, you might want to personalize what visitors see after the form is closed. You can add a custom closed message that will be displayed instead of the default notice. This message can thank participants for their interest or inform them about future opportunities to engage. Once you're satisfied with your settings, remember to click Save to make sure all your changes are applied. Now, what happens after you've closed your form? Any visitors trying to access it will see your custom closed message if you've set one. Plus, all the responses you've already collected will remain saved, allowing you to view and export them whenever needed. And don't worry if you decide to open the form again later. You can easily do this by toggling the Accepting Responses switch back on. It's all about flexibility and control over your data collection process. So there you have it. Closing your Typeform form is a breeze with these simple steps, ensuring a smooth experience for you and your participants.